In this inhabited jungle, the human voice is an ancestral melody, an open secret in a silent and forbidden territory. The people on this side of the Amazon are the authentic call of the wild. The cell phone fever hasn't reached here yet, but their need for communication is as important as ours, and with their calls, they speak at a distance from the very belly of the jungle. It's 8 a.m., and one must go out to find food, as in any other part of the world. The heads of these families do so in groups, working together and mutually helping each other in order to turn the impossible into something possible. Hunting monkeys, the other inhabitants of the upper reaches.